Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I'm going to talk about the differences between the Myolift Mini and the Myolift QT Plus, both microcurrent devices from 7E Wellness, and I'm also going to show you an eye lift tutorial with both devices so you can know the differences and see which device is best for you. If you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. This video is done in partnership with 7E Wellness and I'm super excited to partner with them on this highly requested video. This is the Myolift Mini. And this is the Myolift QT. On this video, I'm going to be focusing mainly on the differences of these devices, but I have full videos on each device on my channel with very detailed tutorials. So if you want to get more info, make sure you check out those videos. Microcurrent is a gentle current that mimics your own body current, and it helps to go deep into the muscle to lift it, almost like an exercise for your face. Microcurrent also helps with ATP, which is the energies of the cells that actually help with collagen and elastin. Both of the Myolift devices are very powerful. So I'm going to start talking about what is similar about them, and then I'm going to go into more details about the differences. Both devices have the same current. Both offer 400 microamps. They also offer two types of microcurrents that only 7E Wellness products offer, which is one current that helps with lifting and the other current helps with wrinkles. The way microcurrent is measured is not only by the strength of the current, but also the shape of the current. Each shape of the current affects different areas for lifting, plumping. I'm talking about this because both of the Myolifts actually have a very unique current that was actually created by 7E Wellness, and it creates a combination of waves. And this type of currents you cannot find in any other microcurrent device for home use, only the Myolift products. On the Myolift Mini, Educate is the mode for lifting and the Erase is the mode for smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. On the QT, Stretch is the mode that you have for wrinkle smoothing and Lift is the mode for lifting. And both devices are also compatible with all the attachments. It gives you the option to do microcurrents hands-free. Another great thing about both of these devices is that they both offer a conductivity bar. So conductivity is very important because it actually tells you if you are getting the current into the muscle. So it really takes out the guesswork and you are for sure able to see if you are getting the current. The only two devices that I know, home use devices that I know that have conductivity bar are from 7E Wellness, and they're both also FDA cleared and they use true microcurrent and they both work on fine lines and wrinkles. Now let me show you a little bit of the differences. The Myolift Mini is a battery operated, so it will not need to be attached to an outlet, but you still need to be attached to this very long cord when you use the probes. QT, on the other hand, is cordless, meaning there's no cables attached to it whatsoever. That way it's very portable. You can literally just put on your purse or very small bag and take it to go. If you are traveling with the Myolift Mini, I suggest putting it in a small box so it does take a little more space, and you will also need to put this on a table. So you do need more space to use the Myolift Mini than you do need to use the QT. Another difference is the Myolift Mini comes with these two probes that allows you to do the pinch and hold technique. And the Myolift QT Plus has a single probe and they're bigger in size. You can still get this into smaller areas as well, but the probes from the Myolift Mini are smaller, especially if you have hooded eyes. They can really get in the tiny, tiny spots of your face. But this is small enough compared to other microcurrents in the market that you can actually get some good detail work with it as well. The QT is designed for home use. The Myolift Mini can actually be used in a professional environment by an esthetician because it is a professional design device. 7E Wellness actually creates a lot of devices for esthetician room, and the Myolift Mini is actually one that can be used in esthetician room as well. The Myolift Mini is a standalone device. You can just charge it, pick up and go. You have all the controls here, which I have very detailed instructions on my Myolift Mini video. The Myolift QT, on the other hand, it has an app, a very, very detailed app with amazing tutorials. The QT Plus lets you use it without the app on offline mode, so you can also pick up and go as well, which you will remember the last setting that you use. However, you still need the app in order to set up the offline mode, and you still need the app to use the attachments. So once you set up offline mode, you can use without the app, but you still need to use the app. So that is something to kind of consider as well. And I show exactly how to do that on my Qt Plus video with very detailed instructions on how to set up offline mode and all the other modes when I go through the tutorials. One of the main differences that I find between these two devices is actually how you do each treatment. On this video, I'm going to show you one quick move on each eye with each of these devices, so that way you can visually see the main differences that I find, because I truly find that it comes down to preference of treatments when you are in between these two devices. So let me show you this now. So I'm just going to show you first with the Myolift QT Plus. I already set it up on offline mode. The settings that I have is on lift and also on the low setting, because I'm using on my eye area. When you use on the eye area, you want to make sure to use on the lowest setting. Again, I have a whole tutorial on this that will go into the settings, but I just want to mention to you guys so you know which setting I'm using. I'm going to put ATP Booster Mask, which is from 7E. I love this because it's actually a mask that increases ATP, and as I mentioned, microcurrent on its own increases ATP. So using an ATP Booster Mask helps you even more to get even stronger results. So I'm applying that on the area that I'm going to be using the device. It's also good to apply a little bit on the forehead when you're treating the eye. And I'm going to do one eye at a time. I'm going to first do with the QT on this side, and then I'm going to use the Myolift Mini on the other side. Since it's on offline mode, you guys can see it's already on green. Go to the corner first. Lift and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide to the middle, lift and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide to the beginning, lift and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Myolift QT Plus is a slide, lift and hold type of movement where the two probes are sandwiching the muscle in between. You're getting the current in between. Or you can also do this, which is also a slide, lift and hold, and you are having the current going between the two probes. So that is the main difference of movement that you can do with the QT Plus for the eye. Now I'm going to show you on this eye the Myolift Mini and how the differences between the pinch and hold technique. Just going to apply the gel on my eye, on the forehead, on the side, and even on this little corner here, because the probes will go there too. I'm going to choose Educate Level 1. With the Myolift Mini, you can choose the intensities here manually. I'm going to put 250 because you want to do a lower current on your eye. You don't want to do too high. When you press start, the conductivity bar is going to be flashing, meaning you don't have conductivity. It needs to be solid. Then you have two probes that I'm going to use the lift and hold technique. And the lift and hold technique, it's amazing because you actually go into the belly of the muscle. So for that to work, you have to always have a stationary probe, and then you move the other probe. For the pinch and hold technique, you always want to be using both probes. So on this one, you're going to be sliding to the end and then lift and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then slide, meet into the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then have it here at the end, slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay to see some flashing lights. What is not okay is to have like a shaking of the muscle. If you feel a shaking of the muscle, that means your current is too high, then you need to lower. But I'm on low current right now, so I'm not feeling the shaking. But with the Myolift Mini, you can adjust slightly the current from, with the actual manual buttons. So that way it gives you a little more control on the actual current that you're using. So I like that about it too. But this is the move. So that is the equivalent of that move that I was doing, like that. So the other move that I was doing with the QT Plus, that was doing this, you would do it like this. You hold one stationary probe, and then as if you're putting mascara, go up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move to the middle, up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move to the beginning, up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a tutorial, but it's just a demonstration of the main differences. That way you can understand how it varies from the technique that you're using. The Myolift Mini does have a steeper learning curve, like you have to learn more of the moves, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. It's not hard at all. It kind of becomes second nature. The Myolift QT Plus is a little more intuitive because you only have one probe, so it's a little easier to get it on the first go, and especially with the app, having the instructions, they're so detailed. It's really, really wonderful, and as you guys can see, both gave me an eye lift, so they both work really well. Just a quick side note, you can actually use the pinch and hold technique with the QT Plus as well, but you need to get the extra attachment of the gloves. I'm not demonstrating on this video because you need to get the extra attachment in order to achieve the pinch and hold technique with the gloves. But if you guys want a tutorial with the gloves, please make sure to comment below. Honestly, both devices will work for any age, even older or younger. But if you are much older, I honestly feel the Myolift Mini is worth to learn, because getting to the belly of the muscle will give you a lot better results if you're already on advanced signs of aging. The Myolift QT Plus will work as well, will give you great results, and I think for any age group as well. But my honest opinion, if you're somebody with a lot of advanced sign of aging, I would definitely suggest the Myolift Mini, because that you can go in the belly of the muscle and really get a lot of detail work, especially if you're older with a lot of hooded eyes. When I was using Myolift Mini consistently, I was able to get my eyes so open. The Myolift QT Plus does do that, but the probes are a little bigger, so if you have extremely hooded eyes with a lot of sagging skin, the smaller probes might be a best option. But that again goes down to preference of treatment and needs, and either way you will get amazing results with either one of these devices. If you have the Myolift Mini, do you need the QT, or if you have the QT Plus, do you need the Myolift Mini? On my personal opinion, I do feel like there's room for having both, if it's within your budget. But you definitely do not need both to get results. Either device that you get, you will have amazing results. But if you want to have both, a way to use them together is to use the Myolift Mini once or twice a week for a deeper treatment, like a spa day, do 30-40 minutes, go through the whole face and get a very deep treatment, and then use the QT throughout the week for smaller areas, for quicker treatments to keep the results, or for travel, or also when you want to use the attachments, because again, it's a lot more portable. So I personally, if I am using the attachments, I use my QT Plus, and I use my Myolift Mini when I want to do a deeper treatment. But that is my personal experience I want to share with you, because I do have both, and that's how I use both together. But honestly, you do not need both if you're really committed to a routine, and I say that a lot on my channel. Just get one device and use it, and you will definitely get results. If you're interested in any of these two devices, I do have a coupon code so you can save some money. I'll leave that in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.